A sneeze rockets out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour, transforming what seems like a simple cold symptom into a high-speed microburst. Imagine the power behind that involuntary action, sending thousands of tiny droplets into the air, each potentially carrying little viral hitchhikers ready to spread. This force of nature is more than just an annoyance, it's a biological catapult, propelling germs faster than most cars on a highway. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember you're about to unleash a mini storm that could travel across a room in just a second. It's a reminder of how our bodies can turn a simple reflex into something that demands respect and a healthy dose of tissues.